The choice of a toothbrush is a very important element in the oral health. People get confused by all these fancy colors and shapes of the bristles. In the end, the best one is the straight one. All these fancy shapes up and down are not positive for the gums. They need to be soft and not stiff. People think stiff cleans better, but stiff is not cleaning better. Stiff is scratching better, but a stiff toothbrush is not able to glide along the surface of the tooth and reach also the interdental spaces. I will show you bristles of the toothbrush of Snow Pearl are particularly elastic. Even if you press against the tooth and against the gum, the bristle will glide away and reach the interdental spaces without making any scratch on the sensitive gum. The electric sonic brush of Snow Pearl has exactly the same filament like the manual toothbrush. That means the effect on the gum and on the tooth can be exactly the same if you can use the manual or if you prefer to use the electrical one. Of course, with the electrical one you have much more power, because you have 42,000 vibrations per minute, so you have a very strong vibration, which is kind of helping the cleaning process.